Houston doctor is answering DEA's questions tonight after a raid at her office in the Museum District. Eyewitness News reporter Mayra Moreno joining us live now with what we have found on that doctor and why this is not her first run-in with the law. Mayra.
Dave, at least for tonight, those key details will remain a mystery. The DEA not yet ready to release those details, but I did confirm today that this was an ongoing investigation, and today they executed a warrant. Placed in handcuffs and escorted out of her office, Dr. Melanie Mencer Parks was taken in by the DEA. She was placed in a Harris County Sheriff Deputy Patrol car and taken away. Back at her office, agents with the Tactical Diversion Squad confiscated several boxes and more. It was a shock to a couple patients who were not expecting to see the DEA on the day of their appointment. According to information in her office, Dr. Mencer Parks offered anything from facials to Botox, even weight loss surgery. But the doctor has been in trouble with the law before. This is a mugshot from August 2014 for a DWI charge out of Brazoria County. While the DEA couldn't say much about today's arrest, court documents will soon reveal much more. And the doctor currently has a pending case for conspiracy to commit Medicare fraud. Of course, we will keep you updated on any new developments. For now, reporting live from the 1200 block of Bins, Mayra Moreno, 13 Eyewitness News.
A doctor's office raided by the DEA and the physician taken away in handcuffs. We were there for the raid yesterday and in federal court today for Dr. Melanie Mencer Parks' court appearance. She is accused of running an illegal pain management clinic. We were the first to bring it to you as breaking news yesterday. And Eyewitness News reporter Mayra Moreno is live now from the Museum District with more on what she uncovered today. Mayra?
Melanie, the doctor's office is on the 5th floor of that building behind me on the 1200 block of Bins. Now, court documents suggest that she was allegedly illegally prescribing and distributing highly potent drugs. Dr. Melanie Mencer Parks walked out of the federal courthouse Thursday afternoon in handcuffs. She faced a judge this morning after the DEA raided her office Wednesday and took her in. She's charged with one count of conspiracy to unlawfully distribute controlled substances. Court documents say she was illegally distributing drugs like hydrocodone and oxycodone at her office, Synergy Medical and Wellness Group.
Well, I'm in shock because I had an appointment yesterday. They canceled, said she had an emergency, and they rescheduled me for today. So I'm in shock.
Shelby Mayo, a patient of Dr. Mencer Parks, tells me while it was a shock, she's not surprised. She tells me she always got a bad vibe from her and some of her staff.
I initially stopped going to her because I didn't feel like she really cared about my health. It was more so in and out.
According to court documents, pain patients who planned to come to Synergy for a doctor's visit to obtain a prescription were required to call a specific number. The patients were given an appointment which was scheduled on the office's appointment schedule, color-coded to indicate a pain appointment. They also said after scheduling an appointment, the pain patient would come to Synergy at a specific time. Upon arrival, they would meet them outside the office to collect cash prior to the patient's appointment with Mencer Parks.
I'm really not surprised.
But what truly surprised her when I told her Dr. Mencer Parks was currently out on bond for a different charge. And that charge was from May of 2014. She was charged with conspiracy to commit healthcare fraud. Her trial was set for mid-September.